Another good day, another good sharing vlog ka-farm. Always stay safe and always enjoy life. The updates of our solar power gears, including the poles, will be in this vlog. Ka-farm, it is truly a countless reward as mentioned always to all the efforts done in this video. If you could watch the whole arrangement, subscribe, share, and like. So, ka-farm, let's do this! As previously mentioned, we are practicing this approach, having all the plans in the paper first, then next is the execution. After our first try in our floodlights, we found that the heights and the trajectory angles are not in order. Rectification works are required just to utilize the capacity of each gear. This is the result at night. Perhaps the camera is not that clear to show the coverage, but at least we are satisfied to what we are having currently. But still, we'll keep in our mindset that the necessary improvements to be done as per situation and observation for the next month. Final setting of our CCTV. The first solar panel and battery pack for Wi-Fi are not appropriate for the power supply and charging. Solution is to acquire from expert with proper advice. This has been adjusted for better angle and coverage. We are very pleased to have our first 5 newly poles, but for some reason, after we separated them, one didn't make through. 3 are disabled. We will try to get one small capacity incubator just for our turkey, as they left their egg anywhere after someone touched and never bothered to come back. All eggs will be collected, stored in refrigerator, and incubate when the timing and quantity are right. At least, we have one Lone Ranger currently healthy and growing normal. Hope to see this guy in our shading in a few months. There are a mix of updates in our 19th vlog, from rice field, veggies, newly planted, and old ones, livestock, and of course, the access upgrading during this rainy season. Again, sharing and gaining a new informative experience has always been our intention in every of our uploaded vlogs. See you on our next vlog. Keep on farming!